Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're already subscribed, thank you. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment down below any video ideas or any suggestions or just any nice comments. If you want to see how I installed this wig, and this is my first time ever installing anything, well, installing any wig, please continue watching. I got this hair from Amazon Prime from Jessica Hair. It's a 16-inch curly, 150% density, 360 lace front wig, and it also has, you know, the combs and the adjustable bra strap thingy. And along with the wig, they also sent a black netted wig cap. So I put the wig on my mannequin head that I also got from Amazon, and as you can see, the baby hairs were already plucked, so I didn't have a lot of work to do. So I'm just prepping it right now. I sprayed it with some water so that I can put the mousse on it so that I can loosen up the curls because it's like really clumped right now. Once it's drenched with mousse, I start detangling with this Denman brush that I got from Target. And just detangling the hair, trying to get the curls popping, you know. And I did not want a middle part, so this is me attempting to do a side part on camera that was not working out. So I went off camera and I did the baby hairs and a side part, and this is how it looks. So I'm just going to put it on the side so that it could dry, and this is the amount of shedding I had after detangling. So guys, this is the wig after I took it off of the mannequin head. I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see. So this is what it looks like. Yes, baby hairs, I see you. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the lace in the back because it's 360. So I already started. I'm gonna cut it off. And then I'm gonna prepare my wig cap. So I have this foundation is Maybelline foundation in the shade 360. I have a brush, and I'm just gonna go in the front side and just start dabbing that in there. So as you can see, it gives it more of a natural look because I did not bleach the knots because I don't know how to do that. Then I'm going to take some powdered foundation to go over that. Once I'm done, I'm gonna spray it with a light layer of Got2b spray. And we're gonna let that dry. Whilst that is drying, I'm going to do my wig cap. Same process. Now I'm gonna install the wig. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray Got2b glue. Wait. Gotta make sure your wig cap isn't showing. My lip cap is way too forward. Gotta pull this back. So basically, I'm just going to align the wig the way I want it to make sure that the side part is on the side. And then I'm gonna spray the hairline with the Got To Be Glued spray. Okay, in that circle and press it in. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back with another rat tail comb. Hopefully I do not break this one. I'm just trying to, I don't know, when I watch the videos and how they do this, they use the comb to try to get the lace to, you know, stick. And then you use a blow dryer on cool. Clearly I can't turn on a blow dryer. So I'm just gonna blow the hairline whilst pressing it in with my fingers to make sure that the lace is sticking to my forehead. Now once I feel like that's dry, I'm looking for my scissors. You ever just use something and then it disappears? That's what just happened to me right now.
2 hours later.
Now once I feel like that's dry, I'm gonna cut around the ear. Okay, I'm gonna cut around the ear area so that this can go like this. If you know what I'm saying. Like we're just gonna, how do they do this, yo? I'm gonna use this. Okay, this is what I cut off. And I'm gonna do the other side. I don't know how they do this. Oh my god. Featuring somebody's car music. I just have to cut some more because it's like crinkling up, and that's not the move. Oh lord, hold on, because I cannot do this right here. Okay, I went ahead and I cut what I thought needed to be cut, and now I'm gonna go in once again. It's dripping on my face. That is not the move. So I have a strong feeling this lace is gonna be glued up on my face, but it is what it is. Back in with the blow dryer. Okay, now I'm gonna try to cut the lace off. So I'm gonna go in like 1, 2. I don't know how many times they cut this, but I'll cut it like that. And then I'm gonna go in with this. I will have to do this off camera because I cannot see. Okay, this is it. Next time I'm cutting the lace on the mannequin because this was hard. Now I'm just gonna spray the hair. Get some mousse. Later on when I do my makeup, I think I'm going to put some concealer in the part right here. But for now, it's fine. I'm out here making a mess. Gonna do my edges again. Not the best blended lace, but for my first time, it's alright. And right here did not stay down, so, but it's hidden, so finesse. And that's it. And of course, I forgot to film an outro. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my first time installing a lace front wig. Please leave your comments below on how you think I did. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel.